Are you seeing the rpcrt4.dll missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we get started with RPC Runtime 4, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the RPC Runtime 4. The Remote Procedure Call, RPC, Runtime Library is one of the most critical components of the Windows kernel. It enables different processes to communicate with each other locally or over a network. Because it is so deeply integrated, a faulting module, rpcrt4.dll error usually signifies a critical system instability or a malware infection attempting to hijack system-level communication threads. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. rpcrt4 is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scannow in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the RPC Runtime 4 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone RPC Runtime 4 DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes RPC Runtime 4 documentation. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix RPC Runtime 4. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.